Alright, so we got a little beach day going down today. Gonna drive up to Cocoa Beach, about 1 hour away, but first we got to stop and get some Dunkin'.
Do you guys have the Charlie here?
Yes, we do.
I'm gonna get a medium Charlie, also with some vanilla in it too, like the French vanilla stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, so it'll be like the caramel and the vanilla, and then
Small Charlie.
and then a small Charlie.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Small Charlie.
What size Charlie?
A large Charlie.
No Charlie for me. Just a sourdough breakfast sandwich.
And then a sourdough breakfast sandwich,
So
and then a bacon, egg, and cheese on a croissant. And that's gonna be it. Yes, sir.
$28.98, sir.
Oh, I appreciate it. Florida, which is like directly east of here in Orlando, so we
Alright, so post beach, we just got some Subway going down, sandwiches all around. Pretty feeling here. We haven't eaten much today. We're on like freaking 700 calories, so gotta get some fuel in our bodies. We're going on a good training session later, for sure.
to send something big, yeah.
Maybe. Deadlift? We might have
Send a big
to.
deadlift?
Kyle's gonna have to. Kind of beat up, but you know. They're freaking all the way down there. Me and Kyle were taking our time,
You
but...
were taking your time.
No, that was all you, bro. That was all you. Don't lie to the people.
I'll take the blame.
Don't lie to the people, man. But yeah, we are on our way to Power Strength Gym here in Orlando, Florida. Ooh. We're gonna get a nice little powerlifting style workout in today because last night was more of a hypertrophy freaking pumpy after we hit our main compound. So gotta get back into the more powerlifting style movements because I'm 8 weeks out from competition once again. Kyle's responsible too. He's sticking to the freaking program.
Yeah.
Even though he's like 11 billion weeks out from collegiate nationals, you can afford to like do whatever you want right now. You're still just freaking.
Like, if I don't, then that's just the time I'm missing out on. So
That's
try to make the most of it.
see that's what responsible people do. I don't like to do that. I like to pull PRs when I feel good and just freaking catch nice pumps. But you know, Kyle's a different guy. Big workout about to go down, boys. A massive workout.
Rated, boys.
Some freshman dorm vibes right here with the cleats on, man. This gym looks pretty sick though. They got the Olympia on there, and that's Sean Ray right there. Look at him. Sean Ray's just posted up. Oh, 3Ds out here? So we just got in here for free. That's sick. Didn't have to pay 15. Let's go. Now let's get a freaking badass workout in. They have a freaking massive fat pad right here. That's really nice because I have a touch and go bench and some deadlifts going down today. Probably just go ahead and get touch and go out of the way first with Kyle, and we'll hop into some deadlift volume. Bench 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row. It's about to go down.
That's the fattest
Kyle,
I've
I've
ever seen. Like spring is freaking fat.
Dude, look at how big it is. It's so high off the ground too. Holy shit. You might mess around and hit 405, dude.
415.
415.
After eating almost nothing in it. I'm about to be like shredded when I get back.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back and weigh freaking 179.
Whenever I travel, I literally come back like looking leaner. Like
My whole goal has just been to like get some sort of protein in because we haven't been like eating that much. But yeah, man, we'll look freaking lean for the workouts. That's all that matters.
Dude, I might have to freaking PR today. This is nuts.
Dude, this bench is feeling nice already. It's feeling really good. I'm sticking to my program, but Kyle, go for something big. He's going for something big. My man right here just came through with a shot. Appreciate it, brother. The freaking bench was real slidey and slippery, so.
You can put the bands on it though.
Oh yeah, the bands do help. We used to do that at our school gym all the time.
Hell yeah.
The bands are really nice. Alright, so the reason I had to use straps on my deadlifts is because I freaking tore my hand on Saturday. So I opted to go frog stance for most of them, and then, which is like basically sumo, and then I used straps as well. I was pulling hook grip for 2 of the sets because I'm trying that out, because grip strength has been an issue for me, and I know Kyle pulls hook and he's had a lot of success with it. So we're going to be trying out hook grip, potentially even a little bit of frog stance sumo to maximize my leverages on the deadlift. We'll have to see how that progresses in the near future, but yeah, really solid session today. Moving on.
I have to feel anything.
Where's from you?
Oh!
Can I get a chicky sandwich?
Peppermint shake rating, go.
12.
12 out of 10.
12 out of 10.
12 out of 13. Nah, dude, peppermint shake was actually insane. And we got the freaking grilled deluxe. No, not the grilled deluxe. The regular deluxe.
There's too much going on. Did we get this?
We got the freaking Chick-fil-A deluxe meal going down. We got a little peppermint shake. We got 900 people vlogging. It's going down now. Yes. Oh yeah.
Which sandwich is mine?
On the spot, peppermint shake. Did you try it? You didn't try it.
No.
For sure.
Oh, Cal said 12 out of 10. I said
Right, did we get the
9 out
same
of 10.
sandwich?
Way better than the Shamrock Shake, and it doesn't have some weird green dye that's sus. So automatically better already.
Hey, we're paying big bucks right now.
We
Why
really
are
got to
here?
figure that situation out.